What's happening, YouTube? Where am I today? Wheels Through Time Motorcycle Museum in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Let's go take a look inside, shall we? All right, guys. I don't know. This is too much. Like, so guy I know told me about this place. I'd never heard about it. And I said, well, we'll check it out. And he said, oh, you gotta watch the YouTube stuff first. I said, no, you know what? I'm just gonna be surprised when I get here. Dude, this is amazing. Like, ridiculous. Oh my God. I mean, if you could smell this place, you'd be just like, oh my God. It's too much. It's too much. I'm actually a little emotional right now. This is just so freaking cool. I wish I had more time. Don't we all, though? Don't we all wish we had more time? I mean, it's going to be a quick walk through. It sucks. What in tarnation? Oh my God. What? What in tarnation? Jeez. It's too much. It's too much. Price was right. Once again, Price was right. He said you need 2 days to go through that place. And he ain't wrong. Damn, I don't have 2 days to go through this place. It's a shame. It is a shame. Because this is just magical. It is magical. I would have never guessed this place be so amazing. Supposedly, everything in here runs. That's what I've been told. God, you can't take it all in. You can't. The smell is just. I should have brought my. Hell yeah. Ice racing, anyone? Super. hill climbing beast.
Press the button to see engine
That is a hill climbing machine. Got up here. Indian outboard motors. I can't even with this place. I thought, well, okay, we'll just do a real quick hit and run, and there ain't no way. There's no way. No. This place is special. This place is special. Every time I take a trip, there's always something unexpected that I'm blown away by. And this is it. This is certainly one of them. Like, I was not expecting this. I knew I was coming here, probably. Wow, like, nothing could have prepared me. Well, I guess the YouTube videos could have prepared me, but I didn't see them. So, nothing could have prepared me for this. God. Look at the Cadillacs, huh? One man's vision. I mean, every little detail in this place is amazing. It's too much to take in. I think there's a whole upstairs, probably more outside.
Oh, really?
Absolutely.
Yeah. 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 It was one of a kind, knucklehead.
Upstairs. Yes.
Let's go upstairs. Oh my word. Which direction shall we go? Heck yeah. My birth year right there. Same with this one. Wow. That little kid is not having a good time. Oh boy.
What color is this one?
Got all the goodies. Wow. Oh man. I miss my Buell so much. I really miss my Buell a lot. My Buell had PM wheels on it too.
That's actually a cool sports too.
Dude, I'm so uploading this video when we get out of here. Like, I'm not even gonna wait. This thing's going raw. Almost unedited. So amazing.
Didn't want to use
No. Oh man. I want that hanging on my wall. How about that? Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See what other kind of nonsense we can get ourselves into. Huh? All right, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.